Presenting the 2010 Volkswagen Routan SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are anti-theft engine immobilizer, 12-volt auxiliary power outlet, 3-zone manual air conditioning, power front second-row windows, driver front passenger multi-stage frontal airbags, tachometer, 6-speaker audio system, power vented rear quarter windows, and power 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.